Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed. Now we should know that this problem may be caused by several things, and one of them is the VPN. So the first step that we're going to do is to simply go and turn off the VPN, or if we are turning on the VPN, try to choose another country. So disable any VPN, proxy, or ad blocker you are using, turn them off and refresh the page, and your problem will be fixed. Step 2, if you still have the problem, make sure your browser allows JavaScript and cookies. Cloudflare won't work without them. On Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Site Settings, then click on Enable JavaScript and Cookies. Step 3. Now clear your browser's cache. Just go to Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data, select Cache and Cookies. Step 4. If you are still seeing the error, try switching to a different browser. If you are using, let me say, Chrome, try to use Microsoft Edge, Opera GX, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer even, or using the mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Sometimes your network IP is blocked or flagged. So if you are using the Wi-Fi, try to use the mobile data, or if you are using the mobile data, try to use the Wi-Fi. Lastly, check your DNS settings. Switch to Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 and restart your browser. And that is it. Your issue should now be solved. And if this video helped you out, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.